Hey, what's up? My name is Jared Eberwine. I am a BMX rider. I've been riding Harleys for over 10 years. I created a BMX show company off of a Harley, which is that one and located in the back, the dyno over there. And 2022 Road Glide is gonna be the new form of transport and the overall showing. I don't expect you to know what it looks like, but if you look into it, yeah, I have a ramp that hooks to the back of the Harley, airbag that is in front, jump over it, and I'm able to do tricks and perform and have a good time and entertain. But the point of this video is to bring you along, and I'm gonna install a new exhaust. Big thanks to Greg over at SPC. It's not really a tutorial on how to do it, but maybe it might turn into that. Here we go. One thing I left out, exhaust so easy to change, you could do it with a bum hand. So I got a broken bone in the hand, but I can still kind of deal with it. So hopefully I'll get through this. If not, I got friends. Oh, that's gonna take forever. And they're off. Oh my, what are you doing? Oh. Give me a magnet again. Ah, success. Get the O2 seeker out. There we go. It's off. Sweaty. Let me gather all my tools. I ask questions because this bike pretty much is brand new. Just hit 1,000 miles, but I was seeing if I could get away with leaving the exhaust gaskets in there, but everyone recommended putting new ones in, so why not? $8 a piece, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. Film this beauty. There she is. That is pretty. It's the 4.5 big bore. I was told it's gonna sound a little different from what I'm used to versus that lane splitter. A little bit more deeper. I figured this bike here could use that. Bigger bike, deeper sound. I don't know, I just want something different, I guess. So let's get into it. All right, I got it all buttoned up. It's all secure finally. Now, before the moment of truth, firing it up. I'm gonna get all those hand oils off there, so. I just want to make sure I did everything right. All right, here we go. Here we go. That's cool. I'm excited.